Good morning, AP Gov people. How am I looking today? Pretty rough, huh? Yeah, okay. Well, I just want to give you a quick update on AP Gov from home week 2. Hope you guys are all doing well. I want to let you know that I didn't grade anything, can't grade anything, but I took a look at your discussion questions and interest groups. I made some comments, I comment on other people's comments, and I return them to you. If you have any questions, or if I ask questions that you didn't, think that you needed to answer or whatever, go ahead and take a look at them. I also took a look at your NRA case study stuff. I also looked at your revolving door stuff. So for this week, we're going to take a really good look at electing the president, the process. So clearly, we are in the midst of an election year, so this should all be very familiar to you. I'm going to flip my camera around so I can show you what's going on and what I expect. All right, so I'm holding my phone here. So the first thing I want you guys to take a look at is the primary process. Okay, so when you take a look at this, there's a bunch of stuff here, but this is basically a refresher on the difference between a caucus and a primary. It's a refresher on, why Democrats and Republicans do it differently. Here's the 2016 delegate count. If we were in class, we would do an analysis of it, but we don't have to do that right now. And then I linked the current 2020 presidential delegate count. This is the one I showed you in class a bunch of times. So you don't have to do anything with this. Just, make sure you understand the purpose of a primary and the purpose of a caucus and how it all should end up at the conventions where both parties nominate their candidates. Okay. The other thing we're looking at is, this is just a quick tutorial on how to become the president. Here's a visual, here's a video that goes with the visual, like the process from like day one. If I want to be the president, what do I have to do? Okay. This one is all about the Electoral College. So if you're looking at this, I put a ton of stuff in here. Ultimately what you want to be able to do is, be able to debate the Electoral College. So I put the instructions here. Please read the instructions. There's 6 of them. It kind of outlines exactly what each of these things are. If we were in class, we would have an in-class Socratic seminar debate type thing where we would debate or discuss the benefits and downfalls of the Electoral College. We still might do that, trying to find the best platform where multiple people can get involved and we can discuss the Electoral College. Maybe we'll do that on Friday or Saturday. I will post a link to that if we do that. Okay? This is interesting. People like to complain about the Electoral College, then they should probably be up on the alternatives to the Electoral College. All right, this is a big hyperlink here. This will help you do these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, description, pros, cons, and then down here is the National Popular Vote Compact, or the NPV. This is the most popular alternative to the Electoral College. This takes you to a different link. All right, but you should understand why people are calling for a national popular vote with a combination of the Electoral College as a way to elect the president. All right, you should probably do this and turn it in if you get a chance. All right, and there is an essay, an argumentative essay. I would imagine that since they're not going to test on units 4 and 5, that this would not be an essay that you would have to write. Okay, but this is the style of the argumentative essay. All right, I'm pretty sure you might not even have to write an argumentative essay now that I think about it, because the test is only going to be 45 minutes and online. So take a look at it. You don't have to do anything with it. Okay. Also, make sure you're keeping up with Khan Academy. Okay. Make sure that you are all up on that. And I will keep sending out more updates. I really miss you guys. On Friday again at probably 2 o'clock. Probably the best time. I will have another Google meeting. I'm also thinking about some opportunities for you guys to record messages, maybe on Flipgrid or on a YouTube video, and post them to something. Okay? Hope all is well. I'll see you guys later.